In this video, we'll focus on one of the most critical capabilities of YiFlow AI agents, knowledge. Knowledge allows an AI agent to analyze and respond based on your organization's internal data, rather than relying on public internet content, enabling more accurate and trustworthy results in real business scenarios. Before an AI agent can use knowledge, you first need to create knowledge sources at the application level. Open your target application, go to Application Settings, click AI Agent, and then enter knowledge sources. This is where all reusable knowledge sources for the application are centrally managed, and these knowledge sources can be reused not only by AI agents, but also by Copilot. Click Create Resource to create a new knowledge source. A knowledge source defines the scope of data that AI agents are allowed to access and analyze, and serves as the foundation for AI understanding your business data. In the dialog, you can set an icon, enter a name, and write a description for the knowledge source. This description is used to explain the overall purpose and usage scenario of the knowledge source. For example, what type of business analysis it supports, or when an AI agent should rely on this knowledge. After creation, you'll enter the knowledge source configuration page. Here you'll see two main sections, description on the left and data sources on the right. In real business scenarios, it's common to add data sources first, and then refine the description based on the actual data included. Next, let's add concrete data to the knowledge source. Click Add Data Source on the right. In this dialog, first select the application the data belongs to, and then choose the specific data source type, such as a data list or document library. Next, in the Select Data Fields section, choose which fields should be exposed to the AI agent. It's recommended to include only fields that are meaningful for business analysis. This reduces noise and helps the AI agent focus on the most relevant information. In addition to data lists, you can also add document libraries from other applications. This allows AI to combine structured business data with unstructured documents, such as policy files, manuals, or contract documents. You can also define data filters to restrict the AI agent to only access records that meet specific conditions. The Automatic Sync Any Data Changes option controls whether data updates are synchronized automatically. When enabled, the AI agent will always use the latest data. When disabled, it's better suited for scenarios where data consistency and fixed analysis scope are required. These settings allow you to precisely control what data the AI agent can access and understand. Once added, the data sources appear in the data sources list. A single knowledge source can include multiple data sources, which together form a complete knowledge context. Using the action menu on the right, you can edit or delete data sources to adjust field scope or remove unnecessary data. After adding data sources, let's return to the description. At this point, you can describe, at a high level, what this knowledge represents and in what general scenarios it should be used. Here, in the configuration page, the description focuses on how this knowledge source works as a whole, what types of data are included, how these data sources relate to each other, and what combined understanding they provide to the AI agent. If a knowledge source contains multiple data sources, this description should explain how they form a unified knowledge context, rather than describing individual records or fields. After editing, click Save to apply changes or Cancel to discard them. At the knowledge source level, you can also choose to disable resource to temporarily stop its usage, or select Delete resource to permanently remove it. Please note that deletion is irreversible and will affect any AI agents currently using this knowledge source. Now let's see how to use a knowledge source in an AI agent. Open the target AI agent, go to its configuration page, and click Add Knowledge in the Knowledge section. The system will display all knowledge sources available in the current application. Select the knowledge source you want to use and confirm. Once added, the AI agent can immediately reason and respond based on that data. After adding knowledge, click it to open the Details page. Here, you can configure how the name and description are displayed. If you choose to use the knowledge source's default name and description, the AI agent inherits the application-level definition. If you choose a customized name and description, you can provide context that is more specific to this AI agent's usage scenario. These changes only affect the current AI agent and do not modify the original knowledge source. It's important to note that Copilot uses knowledge in the same way as AI agents. The same knowledge source can be shared by both AI agents and Copilot. After configuring knowledge, it's recommended to validate it using Test Run. In the Preview and Test Run panel, enter test inputs and run the AI agent. By reviewing the output, you can confirm whether the AI agent is correctly using the configured knowledge. After published, back on the knowledge source page. After publishing, the AI agent becomes available for use in the current application. Back on the knowledge source page, you can see which AI agents in Copilot are currently using this knowledge source. Knowledge is a key capability that transforms AI from a general assistant into a business expert. By combining multiple data sources and reusing the same knowledge across AI agents and Copilot, you enable consistent, reliable AI behavior across different business scenarios. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.